Hey folks, Matt King with the King Piers team out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here in Overland Park, Kansas. This is just a simple one pier installation job. The back door, just for a little background on this job, the back door that you see right here was not able to open before we got started, so wasn't able to be used to get into the garage. So what we did, we saw cut the concrete here, excavated down, fully exposed the footing, got our load bearing plate, our King Pier, two 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks, and just earlier this morning we got that pier lifted, and really it was about a half-inch lift to get this door to work the way that it should. So now we're gonna get concrete out here. Should be about an hour and a half before we can encase that pier up to the top of the footing with high-strength concrete. That's then going to be vibrated to fully encase that pier, locking it in under the footing. So what we're doing right now while we wait for concrete, there was the downspout extension. The customers requested if we could get that buried, so we're doing that right now. We may have to cut this concrete a little bit more to squeeze it in, but hopefully we should be able to make that work. And then we'll get, when we do the concrete to wrap everything up on the surface here on this back patio, we'll get this little strip here poured back, and then we'll pour back the top. But I want to show you guys real quick why we were here. So I'm going to show you right now. All right, so that door works perfect. Main event here. Looks like it deadbolts. Deadbolts pretty well. So when we deal with doors, we don't necessarily lift the footing until it shows level. We lift it until the door is working correctly, because we can keep lifting that footing, but it may throw the door out of whack on the other side, may cause some other issues. So for a case like this where we were hired to get the door to work again, that's when we stop the lift, when that door starts working again. So yeah, King Piers out here in Overland Park getting ready to encase this pier in high strength concrete, and then hopefully should be able to have this wrapped up later this afternoon or tomorrow morning. So stay tuned for more updates. King Piers out here in Overland Park, 816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always check us out on YouTube and Facebook. Just search for King Piers LLC if you have not visited before. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.